In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix the error which says please enable secure boot. So let's get started. You want to start by going to your start menu just like so and go to settings. Now go to Windows Update, and under Windows Update go to advanced options. Scroll down and click recovery and go ahead and click restart now. Just like so, restart. Now it will load and bring you to this interface. What you want to do now is go ahead and click on troubleshoot. Now go to advanced options and go to this particular firmware settings. Go ahead and restart. So it is entering your BIOS setup. Now once you get here, it might appear confusing because your laptop is different, but just wait in a minute. I will show you what you should do. But in case you can relate to this video, go to your security and go to secure boot and go ahead and toggle it on. Now for those of you who might find this step tricky, just go on YouTube and search for your particular model and search for how to enable secure boot, and you should be able to do it. So now what you want to do is go ahead and save and exit and go ahead and click yes. Now that's how you fix the problem. If you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.